Hello, welcome to Honeycloud Bakery and Kitchen. Thanks for stopping by. If you are new here, if you're new to our channel, you are highly welcome. We appreciate you. Hit the subscribe button for us, let us know what you think about our recipe in the comment section, and then share our video. There might be a friend out there who is seriously in need of this recipe right now, because this is going to be super easy and super soft at the same time. So you see, you have it both ways. So let's dive right into it. We want to make use of buttermilk, and we actually make our own buttermilk, like homemade buttermilk. That's what we are trying to do right now. Don't mind the mess the milk is making on our table. Don't mind that. We are just trying to put in a tablespoon of milk in our measuring cup, and then adding some drops of vinegar into the milk, and then no more your regular water. Nothing special, just that, and you have your buttermilk easy and ready for use. So right now we are going to add I think 1/4 teaspoon. Yeah, teaspoon. That's what we are going to use right now. So once you're done with the buttermilk, just let it settle for a while, and then it will be ready, at least 5 minutes or so, it depends, and then it's ready for use. Okay, then we're actually going to pour the buttermilk right into another bowl, and the buttermilk is actually 125 ml. That is half a cup of our normal measuring cup, and then we added 2 teaspoons of, or 2 tablespoons, of sugar, and then a tablespoon of yeast, which is almost 3 grams. Don't worry, I'm actually gonna tag the recipe in the comment section. Then we added a big egg, a big egg, and mind you, the milk was a little bit warm and just lukewarm. And then we added our 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then we combined everything together just like you're seeing it now. Then the final ingredient, when I said it's super easy, do you see? It's actually super easy, because we added just 2.5 cups of flour, making it that's 300 grams. And now we are actually trying to knead the dough. So we are actually gonna knead till the dough gets a kind of smooth, a little bit smooth, because we are still going to knead after puffing. After the first puffing, we're still gonna knead again, but for now we just have to add the butter. We're actually making use of 10 grams of butter estimated, so we are making use of 10 grams of butter, and we actually So we're actually going to be kneading it like this till it's forms a dough, a very nice one. So at this point, we're actually going to cover it and let it rest for some minutes, for about 15 to 20 minutes, and we are back. I actually look a little bit messy and sticky, or just add a little bit of flour on the table, on the work surface, or you could actually add some vegetable oil. Any can serve. So at this point, if you're wondering why you must leave it to rest for a while, it actually activates the gluten. As you can see, the dough became more elastic than it was before, and although you still have to knead it to a certain point where we're actually going to carry out this test to see if it's elastic enough for us to put it in the oven. That's what we are trying to do. Pinch the edge, the extreme, and try stretching it out to see if you could actually see your hand from behind. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. Like, if it's kind of transparent, if you stretch it, that means you're almost there. So just keep kneading, keep playing around it till you get a nice dough just like this. You can still stretch it a little bit, but as you already know, this is just for my personal consumption, and I think this point is actually okay for me. So I'm actually trying to use the foil plates because I don't have the little bread pans for now, and those are kind of substitution, so you can use whatever you have. So far is a mold, and don't forget to spray your oil to grease it before adding your dough. If not, your bread is not going to come out. Just play around it, do your thing. Now we're actually gonna divide the dough into 4. Then 2 for each pan, 2 for each pan. Just play around it. It's homemade or bread, so just do whatever you like. You could actually make it to be circle, round, flat, whatever shape you actually prefer. It's your preference. I prefer mine like this. If you're still with us up till this moment, we say very big thank you, and you can actually tell us where you're watching from so we can mention you in our next video. And for our returning subscribers, we say very big thank you for always being there. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do so. Now our dough have proofed enough, and we're actually going to kind of apply buttermilk to the surface, to the top, to give it actually a nice look when after baking. Yeah, it actually give it that golden brown look. Ta-da! As you can see, we actually wasted a little bit of time before putting the bread in the oven. That's why it kind of overriced. Should I put it that way? Overproof. So thank you for watching. See you in our next video.